Hello student. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Fleming left hand rule, which is from chapter magnetic effect of current. So according to Fleming left hand rule, we are going to discuss when we take two magnets and when we place a rectangular coil between two magnets and when we give the current from the wire to the rectangular coil, where the rectangular coil move first. So according to Fleming left hand rule, I will tell you what is the definition of Fleming left hand rule, but in this topic we are finding the force means where this rectangular coil will move first, means it will move in a downward direction or upward direction. So let's discuss about this topic. So I have taken here two poles, north and south. This is the two poles, north pole, and this one is magnet. So this is the two magnets, north pole magnet and south pole magnet. Okay, and I have tell you that in the magnet, the magnetic field line always comes from north and goes from south. So this is the magnetic field line. Magnetic field line always comes from, means always come from north and going from south. So this is the direction of magnetic field line which I have mentioned here. So I have written here magnetic field line. Okay, so this is the magnetic field line. I have taken one battery or cell, you can call cell because there is a one symbol. So this is the cell which are providing this rectangular coil electricity. So this is the cell, and this one is the key means switch. So this one is switch. Okay, I have mentioned here I for what? Current. There is a written current. So this is the I'm supplying current from this cell. Okay, so this is the magnetic field line which are going from north to south. Okay, so this is the rectangular coil. Rectangular coil is made from iron piece. You can also make this rectangular coil from a copper wire. Okay, so this is the rectangular wire, rectangular coil. Okay, in the Fleming left hand rule, when we stretch our forefinger, middle finger and thumb, which is mutually perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means 90 degree, in the form of 90 degree. Okay, so this is the 90 degree. Stretch your left hand. I'm going to showing you which one is a forefinger, which one is a middle finger, which one is a thumb. So this finger is forefinger, and this one is middle finger, and this one is thumb. So this is the thumb, forefinger, middle finger, thumb, forefinger, middle finger. So stretch your forefinger in the direction of magnetic field. So this is the magnetic field line which is going from north to south. So this is the direction of magnetic field line. Okay, so stretch your forefinger in the direction of magnetic field line. So this is the direction of magnetic field line. And stretch your middle finger. Okay, stretch your middle finger in the direction of current, means denote your middle finger in the direction of current. So current is moving from positive terminal to negative terminal. So this is the conventional direction of current. So this is the direction of current. So stretch your middle finger or denote your middle finger in the direction of current. So I'm going to show you where the current is going. So this is the magnetic field line. this one is your middle finger, so stretch your denote your middle finger in the direction of current. So look at there, this is the forefinger, this one is middle finger. So my forefinger in the direction of magnetic field line, and my my middle finger in the uh, direction of current. So this is the direction of forefinger, and this is the direction of middle finger. So middle finger is going to in the direction of current, and forefinger in the direction of magnetic field line. So when we stretch your forefinger in the direction of magnetic field line and your middle finger in the direction of current, then your thumb denote the direction of force. When you stretch your forefinger in the direction of magnetic field line, middle finger in the direction of current, then your thumb will denote the direction of force. So it means that your rectangular coil will move from anti-clockwise direction. Means ये जो rectangular coil है आपका, ये एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में इस तरीके से मूव करेगा, ऐसे करके मूव करेगा भाई, इस तरीके से रोटेशन होंगी इसकी. So when you so what is the definition of Fleming left hand rule? According to Fleming left hand rule, when you stretch your forefinger, middle finger and thumb, which is mutually perpendicular to each other, denote your forefinger in the direction of magnetic field line, denote your middle finger in the direction of current, then you will finally got the thumb in the direction of force. So this is the first topic which I have taken from magnetic effect of current. So this is the Fleming left hand rules. Okay, so thank you. I will show you next video. Thank you.